Bini ba talaga yun? Ano yung kwento doon?
Oo, may video na parang parang may lalaki na parang may pinapump na isa pang lalaki, tapos may babae.
May
Tapos-
babae doon sa sofa?
Oo.
Sino may babae sa sofa?
Ayan nga na yung, ito yung, yung video.
Nasa 13 years old. Nasa mo doon.
Ayan nga na yung, andun sa post.
Oh.
Context. Beanie members Stacy, Joanna, and Colette were seen laughing together while Sean and Ethan demonstrated a act. Stacy reportedly remarked, ganyan ginagawa niya kay Ashley.
Yung
Yun.
lalaki,
Oo.
13 years old daw yung Ashley.
Oo. Ito na nga Nay, tulad ng inaasahan, naglabas ng statement ang Beanie tungkol sa isyong ito, and we quote, "We know that the past couple of days have been triggering and disappointing for all of you. Sincerely, we understand where all of those feelings are coming from. The video shows a private moment of us with friends. We definitely did not intend to hurt anyone in the process. We offer no excuse for our actions, reactions, and choice of words. We take full responsibility. Nagkamali kami. We deeply regret our mistake and sincerely apologize to our Blooms, friends, families, and the general public. We humbly ask for a chance to reflect on and learn from our mistakes and continue to work on becoming better versions of ourselves. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit, suporta at pangunawa."